Hi, I'm Christelle and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. It's all about the 25th staging of Reggae Sumfest. The local launch happened last evening at the Usain Bolt Tracks and Records, and anticipations are high. The week-long festival of Jamaican culture encapsulates live concerts, a sound clash, parties, food, craft, and so much more. Organizers have moved to strengthen the brand in international spaces and share details on this year's staging.
The next step, which is to the world through the international, 50 million people are looking to hit through streaming, and really bring tourism to Jamaica and to really spread what the rock is all about, which is great reggae music, great dancehall music, and this year with Richie Stevens and the Ska Nation Band with great ska music. And I'm here to make it happen for Reggae Sumfest.
We're bringing a big opportunity for local artists to perform on the stage of Sumfest on Friday and Saturday night. So we're going to all the community bars around the island. We're asking people to compete, come out, share the regular night on the ends, and come perform, because the top winners of that competition, we're sending about four different artists on the stage of Reggae Sumfest.
It's not about bringing in a foreign act to headline the event. And it's important because that's how it started in the first place. And so for us to go back to basics and to promote our own homegrown talent, it really is wonderful. So I'm really excited about that.
Jamaica's premier week-long festival takes place at the Catherine Hall Complex in Montego Bay from July 16 to 22. On June 30, Chronixx will release his debut album, Chronology. The album will be available for pre-order on May 19 on all online retail platforms. Chronology features tracks such as Spanish Town Rocking, Country Boy, Smile Jamaica, and Skankin' Sweet, which is his latest release, produced by French duo Boston Bim. Who will be the winner of the Charles Chocolate's Dancing Dynamite's 2017 competition? The finals take place this Sunday at the Carl Hendrickson Auditorium on the grounds of Jamaica College. We extend congratulations to all the finalists. Vote lines are now open and will close at 9 p.m. on final night. Join us right here on TVJ this Sunday at 8 p.m. to catch all the action and exciting performances from Jaleel, iOctane, and a very special surprise guest artist. And that's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Christelle. Thank you so much for watching.